Hi guys, in this video we will see how to repair a Steam library, a Steam gaming app library. If you want to repair it, here are the process. Launch the Steam app, go to Steam from the top left corner and choose settings. Here the Steam's settings page will open. Here from the left side, scroll down and click on storage. Here click on three horizontal dot against your storage settings, and here you will find browse folder, repair library, rename library. Choose repair library. If you want to rename library, you can also rename library from here. Choose repair library and repairing library folder. Repairing library folder done. Choose close. Now your library has been successfully repaired. Give this library folder your own label. You can, if you want to rename library, then choose a rename and finally choose confirm. This will rename your library folder name. Choose as per your choice and choose confirm.